Hey everyone! Today, let's talk about mastering one of the most powerful and, let's be real, one of the most frustrating tools in all of chip design.
Oh man, if you've spent any time at all in VLSI, you know exactly what this feels like. The power of Cadence Virtuoso is incredible, but that learning curve, it can be absolutely brutal. We've all been there, right? Lost in menus, hunting for that one right command, and just wishing there was an easier way. It's kind of like a rite of passage.
Well, for anyone who's ever wished for a roadmap to get through that maze, it looks like a real practical solution is finally here.
So I am super excited to formally announce a new ebook collection called the Master Bundle. It's built to be your ultimate companion for turning Virtuoso from a source of frustration into your most powerful asset. Okay, so what's actually in the Master Bundle? It's not just one book, it's a set of two guides that work together. They're designed to help you tackle Virtuoso from two different angles. First, understanding the process from top to bottom, and second, maximizing your speed. So here's the two-part strategy. First, you've got the CMOS Inverter Design Flow Guide. This is a complete deep dive walkthrough of an entire project. Then you've got the Virtuoso Cheat Sheet, which is all about making you faster and more efficient. So one teaches you the path, and the other helps you sprint down it. Let's take a closer look at that first guide. This thing is literally the result of months of recording video tutorials, all condensed and refined into a single, comprehensive walkthrough. It takes you through a whole project, from a blank schematic all the way to the final layout. It's all about building that real confidence that only comes from finishing a design from start to finish. Now, the second half of the bundle is the cheat sheet, and this is all about productivity. It's my personal collection of go-to hotkeys and time-saving tricks. And look, this isn't just about knowing which buttons to press, it's about building that muscle memory so you can design at the speed of thought. It's a game changer. Now, this bundle is actually about more than just boosting your skills. When you purchase it, you're also becoming a key part of this channel's journey and helping us grow. As a lot of you already know, we here at the VLSI Design SSG channel are on a mission to hit our next huge milestone, 500 subscribers. We are so close, and this is a fantastic way to help push us over that finish line. And here's why that support is so incredibly important. Every single purchase goes directly back into creating more free, high-quality VLSI tutorials right here on the channel. So you're not just buying an ebook. You're actually investing in the future of the channel and helping the whole community learn. All right, so if you're ready to level up your skills and support the community at the same time, you're probably asking, what are the exact steps to get your hands on this bundle? It is as simple as this. Step 1, just use the link right there in the description below to get your copy. Step 2, dive into the guides and start mastering these tools. And step 3, you'll automatically be supporting our community's journey to 500 subscribers and beyond. Because, at the end of the day, that's what this is all about. All of us, learning and growing together as a community. This bundle is just one more tool to help us all get there, side by side. So I'll just leave you with this one question. Are you ready to stop fighting with your design tools and finally start making them work for you? If the answer is yes, you know what to do. The link is in the description. Let's go transform your Virtuoso workflow.